Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the issues that when you're just going to the Facebook and just going to the page, you are just currently right now to working on that page just like that. I'm working on my page and the physics explorer just like that. And during that, I'm just uploading the reels and sometimes you have faced the issues your page recommendation suspended. So how you can resolve that? So in my page I don't face any issues, so I'm gonna go to that tell how you can resolve the issue. So basically issue is that your page recommendation suspended. And what is that? Basically your page is not showing to another person's just like that. I'm gonna go to the search bar and just search simply just search my page from another id, and it's not showing on the search bar and also not showing on the pages and the feed of the Facebook. So how you can resolve that issue? Just simply just going to the settings of the three lines of the Facebook and just make sure that you just open the page just like that. I just open the pages and just scroll it down and just find a option of a sport. Just find it. If you don't find, just see more and see the option of a sport. Just click on that and just scroll it down. If you don't scroll it down and you do not find a page recommendation option, simply just search, go to search bar and just search a page recommendation, and you simply just search it and just click it. And you see that on my page I don't face any issues because I did not violate any issues, any policies. So if you violate any issues and the policies, you facing issue of the page recommendation error and suspended. So basically you just have to just getting the screenshot of that. After taking the screenshot just like that, press the power button and the volume up button, you're gonna got a screenshot. After that, just going to back, and before going to the taking the screenshot, you have to make sure that you just have to just uploading that reel which you have monetizable. So just like that, I'm going to the monetization and just going to the again back and is going to again back and is going to the dashboard, going to the content, and you see that my all reels are monetizable and not facing any issues just like that. But sometimes they're saying that this reel is not making money and it's not monetizable just like that. So make sure that you just delete that reel. After that is going to back and going to the main interface and is going to three line again. After taking a screenshot of your page is not recommended. After that just going to scroll it down and just find a option of us help and support. Just tap on that and just simply just scroll it down and wait, see the option of a report a problem. Just tap on that and just going to the continue to the report and see that include complete logs and diagnostic in your report. You just have to just include it and just page dashboard, and just like that you just have to just find a page legit. So if you have a page, just tap on a page. You have to just facing the issue on the page just like that. You just select the page. So I'm gonna go to the continue editing and just click it and tell that what you are facing in my page. So I'm gonna tell that my page facing the page not recommendation page recommendation suspended issue on my page, and tell that I didn't upload any authorized and content. So please resolve my issue, and also you have to just upload that screenshot. We just taking the screenshot of your page recommendation suspended. And after if you are able to record the screen, just have to just record the screen showing that your content and also upload from the phone. So just send it, and after sending you have to just wait for a 48 hours. Maybe you just have getting the 1 week time. So make sure that you just wait for the result and hope your page gonna resolve and gonna recommendation suspended got it. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.